Okay, coming in the front door, this is Neale Sound Ct. You do have your steps right here as you come in, but nice entryway. And to the left here is a living room. And I think there was a question about natural light, so yeah, there's a big window here. And then adjacent to it is a dining room area, which also has nice columns and a window. Okay, so I'm going to go down the hallway so you can see what's what here. There's a little cutout, and then you go to the family room, which is at the back. But before we do that, I'm going to see what's down this hallway. So let's see what this door is. This door is to the basement, so I'll check that out in a little bit. This door is a coat closet right here. This door is a half bath. So you've got a little half bath in here. Pedestal sink. And the toilet like so. Let me see. Oh, ceramic tile floor. Had to feel it to check, make sure. Okay, and then it goes back here to a laundry room, big laundry room, and which has cabinets above the washer dryer. I don't know if these convey, I would have to check, but they're, one of them's relatively new, the dryer's not so new. And I believe this would be the garage. So let's see, I can't find the light. So a garage is a garage, I believe. Oh, wait a minute. Ah, there's a garage. Okay. A lot of stuff, but. Okay, so now I'm backing out of the laundry room. Down the hallway. Here, as you can see, I'm going back to where I was before, coming into the family room, which has a lot of light. It's a pretty good sized room. Fireplace. Lots of windows. There's a big window here out to the deck. And I'll go out there in a few. All right, so you had a question about flooring. All right, so there seems to be some incarnations of flooring here. This looks like the original builder grade, which is a Bruce flooring when you come in. And then they've added what looks like bamboo. Okay, so this is bamboo flooring. And then you're right, there's another transition to the kitchen and flooring. So definitely different. Kitchen. So you've got the black granite. Well, not totally black, but black with sparkles. Let me turn on lights, maybe. Here. Built-in microwave. Refrigerator. And then got an island. So you've got plenty of a bit of space there on the island. And not a new, oh well, can't tell. Maybe it is. Looks like the dishwasher is not stainless. Double sink here, which looks out the window. Nice touch. And then you've got a fan above the stove and oven. This 6 burners, no, 5 burners, 1 big one, and then the stove. And then you've got a little pantry here, not much of a pantry, but it's a pantry. And then as you can see, you're back to where the formal dining room is. So we kind of did a loop from the front of the house around to the back. Okay, back in off the kitchen, there's like a little sitting area, which could be an eat-in breakfast area, I guess. Once again, a transition to different, this looks like bamboo, but it's wide, you know, like a 5-inch board. So this could be whatever you want it to be. It does have a nice lot. And I'm going to go out back so you can see what's out back. Oh, there's an alarm system. It just beeped at me. So yikes. Okay, so you can see there's a very private yard. I can't really tell what's back there. Behind the trees. Maybe I can Google map it and see. I can't really see a house or anything, but there could be one. Yeah, there is. There's houses back on the other side, but it's a pretty good distance, so that's good. Okay. Oh, look at that, a groundhog. You little brat. Probably can't see him. I'm wiggling too much, but okay. So off the deck here, you've got steps going down. This is the areaway that takes you down to the basement. So this one comes out the back. So, okie doke. Just kind of trying to give you a visual here. Okay, I'm going to go back in the house, go upstairs,